Morning, everybody. Good morning. What is today? I have no idea. Today is 25th, Friday. Oh, Free Money Friday. Yay. I wonder if there's any news this morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go live. Let's see what we can make. See what we can make today. Forever young. I want to stay forever young. Now, are we live is the question. Looks like, well, I don't see us on YouTube yet. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It looks like we are live on YouTube. I am Twitch, and I'm thinking we're live on TikTok, but I'll check that out in a second. Da-da-da-da. I want to be forever young. I always put it to that sad shit on TikTok. I can't believe more people ain't talking about it, but I do believe TikTok's about to be banned in January. Oh, well. I'm starting to fire up Facebook, X, Instagram. We'll be live on all of those. Figure we go live anyways. Might as well just be on those things. All right, I think now let's go back to YouTube. I see some good mornings. What time is it? Blue Tide Acrylics. Hell, he doesn't even have a time by him. D-Nice, 6:55. D-Nice, you're number one, I believe. Yeah, I think that's it. Good morning. Isn't that funny? But Blue Tide Acrylics doesn't have a time by him. All right. Let's make sure we're live on TikTok. TikTok. I want to be forever young. I want to be forever young. I want to be. Got my lifting in, got my breathing in. I don't see anything. Hold on. Where is my TikTok? Please wait. Why am I waiting for TikTok? Maybe I'm not on TikTok. I want to be forever young. I want to be forever young. Why am I not? Oh, now what's going on? There we go. And nope, there we're not. I don't know. Anybody on TikTok? Because I can't seem to get in. Da, 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 da. I think I'm live on TikTok. I want to be forever young. That is the draw that I did for NAS. It did go down a little like I thought. Right here is where I left you. And it has gone up like I thought. US 30 that I called out yesterday and left you in. I said it was going to go down much steeper. And it did. SPX. I said it would go down much steeper. And it did. I just had that feeling it wasn't going to go down as steep. I just did. Look, I can't get on the fucking... Yo. What's going on, TikTok? What in the world? All right, fine. Fuck it. Let me go forever young. I want to be forever young. I want to be forever young. Damn, it's still saying please wait over on Edge. What in the world? Well, damn. Please wait. Why you gotta please wait? I don't see anything. It looks normal on saying. Let me go back over here. Forever, yeah. Morning, D Nice. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics, Jacob. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Tony Plesh. God bless, and good morning, Larry Cooper, and God bless each and every one of you listening. Good morning, Tanny B. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, Robel. Rise and shine, Orlando. Walters, bless you too, sir. Good morning, John. Taraya. Good morning, Bob. What's up, Keith? Keith, can you see me on text? Keith, what are you doing up so early? Holy shit. Keith, you want to talk? I can go on live a little later. Oh, Keith. Keith, if you're up and you want to talk, let me know for real. Good morning, Dad Bods. I can hear you fine. Can you see me? Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Yes, you're on TikTok. Thanks, Bob. Good morning, Keith. And I can hear and see you on TikTok. Thanks, Linda Brown. Good morning, Sally. Good morning, old school Mick. Keith Palmer's in the house. Except I can't see TikTok, Keith. Bend to bend. F that. M to M. Yeah, I kind of see me there, but I can't get into my own. What in the world? Oh, shit. Well, I hope no one says anything stupid on TikTok. I can't see your responses. The way back when. Keith Rooney. Please wait. Nope. It is pissed off at my 530. Yeah, I can see it, but I can't get to it. It's weird. I wanna be forever young. I wanna be. Well, that's the end of that. Good morning, Sally C. Good morning, Linda Brown. All right, let's get things rolling. We have no time for TikTok. Fuck it. All right, here we go. We are the only safe trading system in the world, to be clear, that has a trademark, Class 41, issued by the federal government of the United States of America. Gotta hold some kind of weight, peeps. Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. That's us. Not me. We are also NDA protected. We are also provisional patent protected on all indicators made. Idiots out there trying to think they can steal something. Good luck. See you in court, bro. At any rate, legal disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, never pretend to be, never will be, never want to be. No one with this channel is. You're adults, make your own decisions. Demo trade only. I only demo trade only. You only demo trade only. The title of this thing is Demo Trade Only. You're an adult, make your own decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and red down arrow. And here's another fact you guys have to say yes to. Listen to this. The old ways we were taught to trade, like Fibonacci retracement, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, support, resistance, naming a candle and candle patterns, VWAP, volume, Bollinger Bands, etc., do not work. But don't take my word for it. Here is the entire article by Oliver, whatever. Studies have shown that more than 97% of day traders lose money over time. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. They're quoting Dave Ramsey, but that is incorrect. Dave Ramsey is actually quoting a study, 14-year study. Almost everyone who attempts to day trade fails. Also, in the article, 85% of day traders will quit within the first 3 years of trading. Day Trade Review 2022. So type yes if you understand. Your best chance at making money trading is with the safety trade system, that you all are adults, that we only trade the green up arrow, red down arrow. Type yes if you understand that I'm not a financial advisor and a demo trade only. Good morning, LD. And Larry already typed yes. Good morning, Lachey. Forever young, I want to be. Let's go find some money, honeys. Let's go find some money, honeys. If you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. Before you take a trade, draw / number out your reasons why. No, I want to be. We got some fantastically great news. Okay. Fantastically great news coming up. Keith has said he's done with the scanner. We have to obviously test it for the next couple weeks. Keith is done with the scanner. Let me show you which one if I can find it. So the November 8th release. November 8th release for the 2 out of 3 blue line scanner is a go. As of right now, see how it's calling out trades? Sell stop to the blue line, 1 hour, NAS and SPX. This is upgraded. This right here, those of you still in the signal room, this is actually done, upgraded using, we're not allowing it to go live yet, but it is live, it is working. Page still under testing, did not take any of these trades. This is a free upgrade to anybody in the signal service, tier 1, tier or tier 2 or tier 3, anyone that has the sniper. Every one of you will get this. Play any buy stops you can until the US 30 15-minute blue line is hit. I'll check everything out in a second, though. Oh, look. H&H is done through the man himself. Keith, you're on live now. You see, you're saying it's live. We always seem to find one simple little thing that's fucked up whenever we think we're somewhere. But at any rate, Keith saying it's done. It's done. The H&H scanner is done. This will be released. Uh-oh, lost my thing. August. This will be released November the 8th. November the 8th. This will be on your charts by then. By November the 8th, the H&H upgraded smart chart scanner. Keith has coded it to tell you when to look for the trades on your different symbols and different times for US 30, NAS, and SPX. The H&H is done. The release date, free upgrade from the beautiful Bree, myself, and the great Keith Palmer, coded by the great Keith Palmer, will be released. Buy stop. You're about to see it go up again. You're on NAS 100. It's about to cross. The pink crosses the purple right here. Once this goes down a little bit further, you're going to see it cross. Once that cross, there you go. Once that cross happens, you'll see a little pop up. You're going to see it fill in the gap over here. Right here, you'll see this green come up, close down right here. You'll see this pink come up towards the blue, and you'll see a price go up. There you go. As pre-called out, I just called out that trade for you live. Now, is there any news this morning, by the way? Let me know if there's any news. Well, we have news. November 8th, type out a 7 if you all understand that I just called that buy stop live, told you what was going to happen before it happened. It did it right before your very eyes. Tell all your family and friends for this. What you're witnessing is history. No one on earth makes calls like this. No one. Aw. Oh, okay. Yeah. I just worked out this morning. Yeah. Forever young. Look at this shit. What's up, Jan? I literally hold for a second, hold the thoughts. Matter of fact, I'm going to stop my own thing. Hold on. Okay, let's stop for a second. I'm in the middle of walking on a treadmill. I'm in the middle of talking to you all. I'm in the middle of doing all kinds of shit. And some of you really aren't watching, aren't comprehending what just happened. Let me pause for a second here. Listen to what I'm telling you. Durable crap news. Thank you, John. Thank you, Martin. Unless Martin has something to do with CPI, MPI, buy stop again is going to happen again. NAS is going to do the exact same thing as I just told you. Listen to me. Right here, while I was walking on the treadmill, while I was talking about our upcoming release date, I called this trade out, paused for a second, told you what was going to happen. I said the pink line's going to, oh, this is going to be now a bigger time. This is going to be a 10-second or a 15-second buy. We have to go up to those levels. But at any rate, I told you that the pink was going to cross the purple and come up to the blue. This will fill in the gap, and that price would go up. How many people here, just in glancing, just as I'm talking and walking, caught that? Who? Come on. I did this casually, but it was amazing what you just heard and saw. This is a 5-second chart that the system works on, and I'm calling out what it's going to do before it does it, and then it does it. By the way, buy, stop, 5 second. It's a 10-second entry, probably 15-second entry, but nonetheless, buy, stop. Is anyone, I think I do things so casually that y'all just take it for granted that this crazy mofo just made a call on a 5-second chart, and it's coming true again, by the way, and it just came true. And as I'm speaking, it's coming true again. What the fuck? Is anyone here just going, what is this what do you guys think when you see me do this? It just did it again. It's going to hook and come back up. Now it's going to finish it. But what the I'm sorry, but some of you are cynics. Some of you are very hard to please. But there's about 50, 60 of you between the two right now. What the hell are you guys looking at? It's the craziest shit you ever seen in your mind. This right here on a 5-second chart, telling you what's going to happen before it happens, telling you to fill in the gap before it happens, and it does it. I don't know. I think some of you are just like, oh yeah, Kev did it again. No big deal. Kev did it again. No big deal. I don't know what to tell you. I'm up 109 from those two last calls. Stand by. You go, Dad Bod. Nice. Thank you for the news information. But unless it's MPI, PPI, FOMC, NFP, and I need big news. Small news doesn't do shit, doesn't move anything. But thank you for telling me. All right. I mean, Bernari says, I'm amazed. I am wowed. I'm up. I like that answer. I'm excited. I mean, come on. I don't know. To me, it's just crazy. I would have thought this dude, like if I saw myself, I would have been like, double. This is another buy. This is a double bottom right here. You'll see the blue, pink cross the blue. You're going to see the blue go up. You're going to see this rise. Now, I don't know about any news. Let me go through a whole bunch. All right, we got to go. All right, I'll come back to all those. Gold, let's go. Let me move this out of the way too. Damn, I cut my cardio short. I only got 12 minutes in. All right. Oh yeah, we got to switch this over. Now we're going to switch over from here to the sniper rifle here. And Keith has finished it. Keith, we got to raise that up. It must be this one. I'd have to look at this to verify what we're seeing. I'm excited. Very grateful, says my. There you go. Nice thinking. Now Evan's already doing one more advanced. All right. Now, gold. Looks like a sell. Hold on. Yeah. Sell to the 5-second blue line. You can play any sell stop to the 5-second blue line of gold. If you don't want to do that, then look for the, let's see, 1 minute. Nope. We'll go up a little higher. There you go. Touchdown. 5-second sell stop to the blue line. Perfect, as just called out a second ago. We have touchdown. Gold to the 5-second blue line. You're welcome on that call. So far, I'm 3 for 3 this morning on the live calls. I don't know if anyone's paying attention, but a few of you are. There it is. Now let's keep going, see where she's going to go to. Yeah, play any sell stop to the 10. I don't know if we're going to hit the 10-second. Go ahead and play it, though. And then get ready for a 1 minute buy stop back to the blue line. Ricochet buy stop is going to come down a little further. It's going to hook and come back over and come back up. 1 minute to the 1 minute blue line buy. 5 minute. 10 minute sell. 10 minute sell. 10 minute or 5 minute? 10 minute. 5 minute buy. Then it's going to do a 10 minute sell to the 10 minute blue line gold. Yep, definitely that. If you don't want to horse shit around with any of those lower time frames because they're too hyper for you, and they are a real movie. 2 hour buy stop. Love it. Gold. Buy stop. 3 hour gold. Buy stop. 4 hour gold. Buy stop. 7 hour gold. Daily's almost complete. Weekly is complete. Again, I'm going to give you a heads up of what we need to see happen now on gold. We need to see, and when we do see this, listen to what I'm telling you. When we see this occur, and we will see this occur, we're going to see this purple line come down like this, and we're going to see this blue line go straight across like this, and then it's going to hook down. What it's going to do is like it did this time over here. Let me zoom in a little bit to show you. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen with gold over the next several months, let's say. What you're going to see is just like it did over here, right, on the way down, just like you saw it on the way down. This inside of here, watch. Inside of here, you're going to see price action, kind of what you guys used to do, consolidation, choppy market, all that bullshit you used to say, right? Do. No, what it's going to do is just move over. As it's moving over, this is going to come down. When this comes down on the weekly and touches down here, I'll be making y'all some fucking shit tons of demo money. That's all I can tell you. Shit fucking tons of demo money. So be ready for gold to reset itself over the next probably 2 weeks or so. And then it's going to go rocketing up even further. Just so we're all on the same page. Forever young, I want to be forever young. And there it goes back up towards its 1 minute blue line as called out live. Told you. Good morning, Kim, the Gold Queen. Good morning, Kim Harrington. Been waiting on the 2 hour buy since yesterday. Kim's all over gold. You want to know what gold's doing? Take Kim's trades. Take Kim trades. Good morning, Kim. All right. U.S. oil. Let's go. Let's see what U.S. oil. Oh, I have the sniper rifle on. Keith said it's also done. I want it stacked, though, so I can see my charts easier. But nonetheless, Keith says it's done. It's done. 5 second. 10 second. 5 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Sell stop blue line 1 second. Sell stop the blue line 1 second. And then if you don't want to play a 1 second, you can do a 5 second buy stop. 10 second buy stop. 15 second buy stop. 3 minute. Already hit the 3 minute. 5 minute. Already hit the 5 minute. 10 sec. Just hit the 10 minute buy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just hit the 10 minute blue line. How gorgeous. 15 minute. Yeah, I can see it going to the 15 minute, 30 minute. Sell, 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. Play any buy you can to the 15-minute blue lines hit, and then 30-minute sell, 15-minute sell, 15, 30-minute sell. 2 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 3 hour, 3 hour. No, still a 4, 3 hour, 4 hour. Nope, not yet. 12 hour. Nope, not yet. Daily, weekly, daily, weekly sell, weekly, monthly buy. Fuck yeah, buy. Oil, I'm still calling this monthly buy. Still like it. But in the meantime, there's shit tons of movement up and down right here. You can do anything you want. It's easy peasy. All right. Good morning, Harris. You're welcome. Thank you for being here, Harris, and everyone else being here. 1,300 pips on gold this week. 1,300 pips on gold. News in 10 minutes. Okay, if there is actually any news, please don't play it. Just stay away from it. There's no need to play the news. It's going to be shitty news. Just lock in your profits. Ride it out. It ain't going to do shit. If it moves big, I'll get you in later. EURUSD. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. EURUSD. Ricochet. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. EURUSD. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. It's a small fill in the gap. You got to be careful. I just didn't say that. You got to be careful with that. This has to come back down and reset. I didn't like that. All right, still like the 5-second to the blue line. 5-second, 10-second to the 5-second blue line. 15-second. Buy stop to the blue line. Or you could play a 30-second sell. You can play a 30-second 1-minute sell to the 1-minute blue line. Kind of like that one a lot. Or you can get out of the shitty time frames, go up to maybe a 10-minute. Yeah. 5-minute, 10-minute buy. Where's the 5-minute? Yeah, I like the 10-minute buy. 10-minute buy, EURUSD. Yeah, do that. Let's see what else we got over here. 3 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, 3 hour. 3 hour sell stop, EURUSD. Daily buy stop, EURUSD. Daily, weekly buy stop, EURUSD. Monthly sell stop, EURUSD. But the monthlies take forever. You can do like 20 different dailies by the time that monthly gets done, maybe even more. Grant. 1 hour buy stop, 2 hour buy stop, bullish on the daily. NVIDIA. I'd have to go look. I do know that I called out correctly Tesla yesterday. We'll look at that in a second too. GBB, JPY. 5-second. First of all, there's nothing on the sniper, so I'm going to run through them. Buy stop. GBB, JPY is a buy stop for the rest of your lives until I know otherwise. Buy, 5-second, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute. Remember when I was calling this and they were all below that? 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour buy, 3 hour buy, 4 hour buy. GBB, JPY, play any buy stop till the 7 hour buy goes up. Daily goes up and touches its pink to the blue. Weekly buy. I told you this was a buy back on 8-6. I told you it was a buy back on 8. Let me get this off here. On 8-6, look at my call. Easy peasy to see. Weekly, monthly buy. Just a GPB, JPY. If that'll win any lower, I swear I'd have probably sold one of my houses and just taken it. Because that was just amazing. It's so low. It was ridiculous. Free money. They gave you free money. AUD, USD. Let's go over to daily. Buy. Still like it. Leave it right where it's at. Love this buy. Ricochet buy back to the blue line. The best trade was here. I showed you that yesterday. I'm not going to go over it today. 5-second sell stop to the blue line. AUD, USD. Towards the 10-second blue line. AUD, USD. 15-second sell stop. AUD, USD. 30 seconds. Going to turn into what? A 1-minute buy. Buy 1 minute. AUD, USD. Buy 1 minute to the 3-minute blue line. Buy 1 minute to the 3-minute blue line. Love the trade. Love the trade. Love that trade. Doesn't mean that 10 seconds is going to go down. It's going to go down. The 5-second will go down. 10-second buy, no. 15-minute, no. 1 hour, sell. 3 hour. So it's a 15-minute, 1 hour sell. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy to the daily blue line ricochet. And we have 5-second touchdown. Yet again, exactly what I called out for the third time. No, I did 4 times correct. You just had the 5-second blue line touched by AUD USD. Sell stop, sniper sell, pink cross blue, just waiting for it to dip down. It dipped down. There you go. Called out live. There you go. USD CAD. 5-second. Nothing reloading for buy. 10 seconds. Again, if there's any kind of news, don't play it this morning. I'm not in the mood anyways. Just don't play it. 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 15-second, 15-second buy. 15-second buy, USD CAD. To the 30-second blue line, USD CAD. Buy to the 30-second blue line. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. 15-minute buy. 30-minute buy. 1 hour. Is it a 1 hour? Not 1 hour, 4 hour? Yeah, 1 hour. Love the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop on USD CAD. I know I called this shit out yesterday, by the way. I'm not going to get there, but I did. Daily. Already peaked. Weekly buy. Weekly buy. That's why it's going up so much. Told you. Look at my oh my God. 7/3/24. Daily, weekly buy stop. Did it here? It's going to do it again here. It's going to go up again. Look at that shit. Thank God I write that shit out now. Monthly. It's hooking to come by. Okay, that's USD CAD. XRP buy. Don't give 2 fucks. Buy XRP. Buy XRP. Buy XRP. Play any buy stop on XRP you can find. Buy XRP. Buy XRP. And if I didn't mention buy XRP, I'm fucking saying buy XRP. Unfortunately, it's got to reload right here. It's going to do it again, though. Hope I'm clear on XRP. Ethereum. Got to cut out early today. I'll see you guys. Good morning, Horror Raider Trader. Good morning. Good Tank Talk. Have a good day. Martin Lewis, News and I don't give a shit about that news, Martin, but thank you. When it's PMI, CPI especially, FOMC especially, tell me those news. Otherwise, I don't give 2 fucks. Ethereum, how are we doing with that 12-hour? Damn, that damn 12-hour won't stop. 12-hour sell stop to the blue line, Ethereum. Daily sell stop to the 12-hour blue line, Ethereum. Weekly buy stop, Ethereum. Better. Bitcoin, told you. Bitcoin, ooh, look at that. Bitcoin was a buy to the thing. It just hit it on the weekly. Let me see that 3-week. Still got to go. Buy stop, Bitcoin. Any buy stop you can find. Nope. 12-hour good. Buy daily. Buy. It's going to reset. It's going to come down a little bit, then hook back up again. 7-hour, same thing. 4-hour buy. Yeah. 1 hour buy stop Bitcoin. It's actually a very good trade. Let's see. Can we get any sells in here for you guys? Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, I think we can see a very short-term sell here. Let me see. Yeah, it's going to have to be very short-term. I would say 15-second sell stop towards the 10-second blue line. I would play the buys on Bitcoin, though. Amazon, play any buy you can find on Amazon. I've been calling Amazon out a buy since 8.8. Look at that. Perfect call, by the way. Go back to 8.8 if you don't believe me and watch my fucking YouTube when I type these fucking words out, and you'll see that I fucking called the buy on Amazon right here. Yeah, did. Perfect buy. Costco, same thing, buy. Just keep playing them. Any buys you can find. Now, let's go over to Tesla, because I called Tesla, what was it, yesterday, day before, a couple days, whatever the fuck. Does anyone remember when I called Tesla? Because something to do with their earnings and something to do with it went up. I don't know what the fuck it was doing. I just know Tesla was a buy, daily buy, and I called it, and then it went up great yesterday or some shit. I don't know if it did or didn't. Yeah, there it is. Told you. This is why. This is people are so fucking funny. Tesla went up because the earnings came out. Nope. Here's your earnings. It was bad earnings. Tesla went up. Explain that, dumbasses. Tesla went up because no. Tesla went up with bad earnings because the safety trade system was going to go up. Tesla went up with good earnings because the safety trade system said it was going to go up. It has nothing to do with their earnings. Let me repeat that 3,000 million times because none of you will understand that. It has nothing to do with earnings. Nothing to do with earnings. Repeat after me. It has nothing to do with earnings. Price action has nothing to do with earnings. Earnings were bad, evidently. I don't know if they were. Price went up. Earnings were good. Price went up. The common denominator is news. If there's news, just do whatever you're going to fucking do. Buy stop, green, 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 pink crossed the blue, up it went. Buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, pink crossed the blue, up she went. It's irregardless. Let me show you for a fact. Before any earnings came out this time, every one of you here knows what this fucking daily was called. Every one of you here knows. Before any, look at it. I'm going to go right to here. Before any earnings was called out, every one of you, what is this called? What is this called? A buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? What? Hold on. Let me be clear. This is Tesla we're talking about. Yes, I switched gears fastly. Some of you, whatever. This right here, green, 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 red, green, green with pink below the blue right here. It's called something. It's either called a buy, and these are days. Let me be clear on this. You would have had 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, six or seven trading days to put your buy stop in. Before earnings, before the earnings came out, we had 6 to 7 days of buy stops. Yep. Correct, Larry. Correct, Kimberly. Correct, John. Kev was right. Shitty news. Well, gee, surprise on that one. Kev was right. Woo. Thanks, Martin. Appreciate you trying. Dan says buy stop. Steven says buy stop. Correct. Unless it's CPI, unless it's FOMC, unless it's NFP, none of the other news really moves anything. It doesn't do shit. It's a temporary, tiny, tiny little spike in something, and even then, not even then. And most FOMC, sometimes it's just weird how news is. But we're not talking about that. Pay attention to what we're talking about. Buy stop on Tesla. Buy stop on Tesla. Before the news. I want to hear at least one person write this out. The news is BS. Let me write it out. If I ever write something down, you guys need to write something down. Let me be clear on this statement. The news / earnings does not matter. The only thing that matters, I'm spelling these words right. I write so slow. Matters is the safety trade system. Come on now, peeps. Hang with me here. This is all that matters. Watch. There was we didn't know that this was going to go up other than the safety trade system called for a buy stop 6 to 7 days before earnings came out. Just like it didn't matter when there was bad news over here. It didn't matter. Oh, the bad earnings is going to go down. Bad earnings and it went up. Get the fuck. They don't know shit. Who knows what's going to happen before the market is going to be God and the safety trade system. Period. That's it. Nothing else. The safety trade system predicted that buy, and I told you a couple days ago, buy, and I told you buy on Tesla. It's not that hard. See, by the way, let's take a look. Let's go look at this one. The one that supposedly was supposed to go down with the bad news. Right. This right in here. Green, 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 red, green, green, pink crossing the blue is the exact same NAS that I called out on the 5 second many seconds ago. Sell stop to the blue line. I'm not going to get into that. Let's just wait. All right, watch. Right over. Hell, I don't remember which one we were on. We could take either one of these. Down here. I thought it was back here. Maybe it was that first one. Here's one. We can do this one. Here it is, to the blue line. That's what I was calling it. All right, look, there it is. Okay, now watch. This right here. We're on the 5-second NAS chart. 5-second NAS chart. Pink crosses the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop to the blue line. It's just a perfect trade. Take a picture of that if you like. Trade that trade. By the way, remember I was teaching you guys the fill in the gap second one after that? Look, again, you see the pink below the blue? This is a kind of a gap right there, and it's going to the blue line. Perfect trade. But I digress. Let's go back to what we're on. This right here, this exact pattern you see inside of here, pink crossing the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, is exactly, well, why don't I got to save Tesla. Hold on, let me save Tesla. Tesla is exactly Tesla's daily, exactly the exact same thing you saw right here on Tesla. Let me go over here. Right here. It's exactly the same thing. These are days. See the pink crossing the blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop to the blue line. These are dailies, and the 5 seconds are 5 seconds. It's the exact same thing, the exact same pattern. The news is BS. You guys actually wrote all that out. Thank you. Yep, correct, Evans. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Charlie. Yes, correct. Correct, Kim. The news is BS. Correct. I mean, it is so blatantly embarrassing now that you see the truth. When they start saying news, it's embarrassing. The system rules the news. Correct. Correct. The news is BS. The only thing that matters is correct. Correct, Martin Lewis. That is correct. And it's true. All those statements are true. Sevens, if you guys see how the 5 seconds NAS is the exact same that I called out earlier, is the exact same daily buy stop I called out a couple days ago. It's exactly the same thing. Sevens. If it's not, if you don't understand that, I'll go back and show you again. But it's this exact same pattern. There's no difference. Pink crosses the blue, low. Green, 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 red. Green, green, to the blue line, buy stop. There it is. Everything is true, just like this one over here. Pink cross the blue, green, 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 red. It's occurring for you right now. But the past one was here. The NAS one on the 5 second I just called out maybe 5-10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, whatever it was, is exactly that. 30-second NAS buy stop. Let's go back up and look. Yeah. This is a big, right. So this is a 30-second. Right. You see how it's the pink cross the blue right here? See, technically, this is a 30-second, but you have to go up to when you still see the red right here. This is a 1 minute buy. I doubt this hardly is a 3 minute. Right. This is a 1 minute buy. Pink crosses. So this is technically a 1 minute buy. Who was that, Evan? Yeah, but very good read. It's a 30-second buy. That's true. But the reality is, it's actually, you have to go up to the highest time frame. That's why you see this hook right here. It's right there. 5 second. See, that 5 second wasn't, yeah, there you go. 1 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second. Okay, so anyway, 1 minute buy. Very good call. Makes sense. Yeah, that's all. So just look for the higher one. It's not that a lot of times, how do I word this? Watch. A lot of times, and I'm sure it happened here on the smaller time frames, you're going to see these smaller time frames, in this case, the 5 second, all turn. This is going to get really advanced. A lot of you guys are going to get lost here. Try not to follow this. Watch this later when you get back home. It's all going to turn to red. Red, 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 red. And this is a telltale sign that when these all turn red like this, to go up to your higher time frame. See this? Look. Red, 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 red. All these turned red first. Let me get rid of this. Hold on. Let me do this. I can show you. When you see this, right? You see this. The 5 second was all red. Look. Red, 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 red. All red. The 10 second was all red. Then all of a sudden you see a green at the bottom on the 15 second. Now all of a sudden you see 3 greens at the bottom. And now you see, what do we see? all the greens, and just a tiny little bit with a blue hook down. Now you know you're in the buy stop on the 1 minute. It's like a launch. Let me look at it this way. You know how a rocket takes off? The 5 second turned red, right? So it's all red. The 10 second, all of a sudden, we're still all red. The 15 second, all of a sudden, you're starting to see some green underneath it pushing up against that red. 30 second, you're seeing a lot of green push up. The 1 minute, you're seeing a lot of green push up with just a tiny little bit of the blue dip. So it's like pushing upwards. Remember, I taught you with all the times, and that's how this went up. And it's a very good call by Evan. I'm just trying to get him to get a little better entry to verify what he's seeing. See, green, 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 pop. I don't know how, it's probably a bad example, but you guys get what I'm talking about, I hope. Why was the 5 minute pink not low at NAS? Why was the 5 minute pink not low at NAS, or will it do it after the 3 minute pink is up? Why was the NAS, let's go to NAS, let's go to the 5 minute pink not low. Why was the 5 minute pink? It's separating now, Jan, after the 3 minute goes up. Yeah, see, you have your 3 minute. So technically, when we get, okay, I'm going to make a funded trading account for funded traders. A funded traders, people who want to get funded accounts. The 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 second, 15 second, 5 second, I'm going to go down to 1 second, are going to be their best friends, Jan. Everything underneath that, so everything 3 minute and under, kind of has its like quantum physics, kind of has its own rules, kind of has its own way of looking at things. It's eerily similar to what the higher time frames are. It just moves so fast. So that's why I always say play any buy stop 3 minute and or 5 minute and above when I'm doing those dailies. And that's why I say always look to the lower time frames when you're looking for those more intermediate trades. So if it's a 3 minute, 1 minute buy stop, or a 3 minute, 30 second buy stop, or 15 second, I'm going to have my own set of rules on the safety trade system honed in for the funded traders to make their 2 ticks or 5 ticks or 6 ticks or whatever bullshit they want to do, just so I don't have to have any of my people go over to some bullshit, idiotic, stupid and silly, fraudulent other systems that are out there that do not work, that 100% do not work. So I'll go ahead and take my time, make a funded traders account for you guys so that you guys can use the safety trade system to get funded easily and effectively, and you'll get funded every day, probably 10 times a day. All your accounts will be funded. I'll be done with that within 6 months, probably a lot sooner. It's next up on my chopping block. But to answer your question, it's kind of like you got to let these 3 minutes, 1 minute, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 10 seconds do their thing. And then you start worrying about the higher time frames. So if all these were sells right now, I would play any sell. That's not, but I would play any sell to the 3 minute blue line. Right now, it's not. So if we have NAS, it's above its blue line. SPX is above its blue line. See, this is a very good. Who made that observation? I think it was Evan. These play any buy stop you can on NAS, SPX, and US 30 until the 3 minute. Let me make sure it wasn't the 1 minute already. Until the 3 minute blue line is hit. And now let's go back here. Let me open up the sniper rifle and see something. Yep, there it is. Now look. Look. Okay, look. This thing's called the sniper rifle. Let me, it's going to yell at me when I come over to here. Let me entertain you. Da, 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 da. Okay. All right. Now, let me put this over here. All right. Now watch. Here we go. Looky. Here it is. Okay. Now, okay. On your right over here, you have right in here, you have this sniper rifle. The sniper rifle calls out any trade to the blue line on your charts. We're also going to have the sniper Gatling gun. Okay. Keith came up with the name. Of course, Harris also came up with the name, but separate people. But at any rate, that's what we're doing. So it's going to be multiples on here. But right now, whatever symbol I put this on, it will tell me if there is a trade. Well, you can clearly see right here, it was calling out, and that's why we leave these shells as leftovers. Right here, at this time, it was calling out a buy stop to the blue line. Oh, let me go down here. Oh, damn, we're going to have to go here. All right. It's calling out a buy stop to the blue line right here. Okay. So my corresponding chart over here is the 3-minute. It's calling for a 3-minute buy right here, right here. And you can clearly see when it called the buy, it went from here and it's now going up to the blue line. So you guys don't have to worry about figuring much out anymore. All you have to do is trade US 30, NAS, and SPX and wait for the sniper rifle coming out in January 2025. It's not out yet. The sniper rifle will call these trades on your chart for you or in the signal room for you. It'll call them. It's going to say, hey, 3-minute buy stop to the blue line. And there's a 3-minute buy stop to the blue line. And it's going up to it right now as you speak. So Evan caught it because Evan's catching on to the system. But for those of you who are new to the system, the actual system will tell you when to take this trade from now on. Demo only, not a financial advisor. Okay. I'm still learning how to identify when the lower time frames are done. Stay out of the lower time frames, Tank Dog, and only trade the higher time frames. Let me pull up my little picture. I think this is from Larry. Let me pull up my little picture. This is what you guys have to understand. Listen to me. His children, he teaches this to his children and his grandchildren. Listen to this. The weekly, daily direction is the flow of the river, Tank Dog, okay? Listen, everybody, not just Tank Dog. The flow of the river is going this way. You see the flow? You see the little rafts? So your weekly dailies is the flow of your river. If the weekly trend is going up, right, and you're trying to play the sells against the flow, Tank Dog, don't fucking do it. Any of you, until you get good enough to understand when I tell you it usually goes to the 3-minute, then you hook, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to get into all that. Just don't fucking do it. You stick with the flow of the river trades, follow the overall directions, and you won't drown. He has his children and grandchildren take trades, demo trades only, and they get the wrong direct. They do a buy in this case. It's going this way, right up, and they do a buy and it goes against filler, but it will automatically go your right way. Period. There's no getting suckered in. There is no getting suckered in. That's 100% incorrect statement. If you go with I proved this when I did, let me be clear on this. I proved this, that there is no anything getting suckered in with NAS and gold. Let me show you how I proved it, Tank Dog. Because my last NAS trade, I took, what's going on? My last NAS trade, I keep placing down these blue lines, sorry. Okay. The last NAS trade I took, let's go over to our daily. Without any entry whatsoever, without anything at all, there was no buy stops, sell stops, no rules. When the pink line hit the blue line back here, I bought in with a 0.01 NAS. There is no getting suckered in. Listen to what I'm telling you, Tank Dog. There is no fucking getting suckered in. When this pink line rises up, price will be above where it was at when it was at its bottom. When this pink line rose up, price went up. When this pink line rose up from the bottom, price went up. Let me show you on gold. Let me be clear because there's some confusion on this. When the pink line was at its bottom and it went to the blue, price went up. When pink line was at its bottom, I did this on gold too, by the way, price went up. There is no getting suckered in. There is nothing to do. Whenever, look at gold go. Whenever this occurs and this goes up to here on daily or weekly, price will be higher than it was when it was at its bottom. When this is at its bottom and it starts to go up, it will go up higher than where it was when it was at its bottom. Can I make this any clearer to you, Tank Dog, or anyone listening? I don't know what you want me to look at, Matt. I don't see your question. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, Julius. The 1 hour on gold. So I won't get suckered in. I'll look at gold, Kim, for you right now. Everyone out there, understand the words that are coming out of my mouth. I can't be any clearer. There is no suckered in if you're following the weekly, daily pink line low against the blue line high. There is no suckered in. You can't go the wrong direction. Again, let me pull out this little picture so that y'all can be fucking clear. Listen to one of my words are not being listened to. Am I not speaking English this morning? Am I not being clear? Am I not speaking with authority like what's his face on South Park? Look, you can't get suckered in. Anyone, when the daily direction is flowing this way or the weekly direction is flowing this way, you can't get fucking suckered in. Am I clear? Yes or no? It's like snails crawling. Yeah, it is. A Stony, blessings. Good morning, blessings. Not today. Good morning, not today. Sorry, my message is on TikTok. I can't see them. Cartman, correct. Just be patient. That is my beautiful wife's love language. She always said this for the last several years. The love language of trading is patience. If you don't know what love languages are, they're extremely important to relationships. Patience is extremely important to trading. Listen to me. You have to understand this at your core level of trading, that the daily, weekly flow determines every fucking thing else. You can't make a mistake if you do a buy while the weekly is going up. Let me give you another hint. Everybody write this down. Everybody fucking write this down. Hold on. I got to reset my TikTok. Hold on. Here you go. I feel like I'm being a fucking instructor in college now. Hold on. Hold your horses. Your horses. Okay, now I'm in. All right, let me make sure we're back on TikTok. I think we're back on TikTok. Okay, whatever. This is it. I wrote this in the Discord. Matter of fact, let me go in the Discord so you guys can see this. Let's pull this away. Let me look at all. Oh, we have other news too. Oh my God, we're firing up the 5 second, 10 second. Woo! We're firing it up. We're firing it up. You're not to take any trades in those two, but some of you probably saw that we have some things coming. Look, inside of the learning room, I think it was, demo, blah, 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 here. Inside of here. I was responding to someone because they were doing it was so nice of them to do what they were doing. They were helping someone in there. Very nice. But let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you something. Let me show you the fucking truth. This is how you can never be in the wrong trade ever again. Let me tell you, so you guys don't have a fucking cow. Let me see if I can make it small enough for you guys to see this. Look. Shit. I went all the way across. Hold on. Maybe I can still salvage this one. I don't know. Okay. That isn't going to work the way I want it to work. I thought I can copy and paste this shit in. Hold on. Let me do this. Let's try that again. Let's try this again. I'll just write it out manually, but I'm just trying to save myself a minute, and I'm causing myself undue duress. Watch. Yeah, that's not going to work. Fuck. Let me see. Maybe I can get it to work. You guys going to write all this down? Hell no, it ain't writing all this down. This is the part you want to see right here. Watch. Yep, right here. No, it ain't going to work. All right, I'll do this for you guys. I won't keep pushing you through all this shit. Okay. This is my free gold. This is the hugest golden nugget you're ever going to find in your fucking life when it comes to trading. Write this down. I'm not fucking joking. This is more important than anything you've ever heard me say. Well, okay, probably not that, but take any demo 30-minute. Listen to me. Write this down, every one of you. Buy stop / sell stop. You get the idea. It works for buys, works for sells. Buy stop / sell stops as the daily / weekly pink sniper line rises. You know the routine. Rises, goes down, rises to the blue line. I'm telling you right now, this is what we're being coded into our new weekly, daily 4 hours. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find, and especially, and I'm going to show you, especially 30-minute to price action, blue line. Holy shit. You want to not miss any fucking trade? Do that trade right there. And yes, that's going to be coded in. Yes, that's going to be coded in to the new signal service. So if you're in tier 3 or tier 2 or tier 1 signals, you are going to have a humongous advantage on your trading coming coded in for you. So some people are saying, yes, Cartman, yes. Sucker, and only happens when you read the charts incorrectly. System works, just be patient. Correct, Harris, correct. Okay. Oh, is Larry Cooper who taught? Sorry, Larry, I got to give you credit. I told the wrong person. Larry Cooper. Larry Cooper gets all the credit in the world for that picture. I'm sorry. I thought it was Larry. It was Larry. Oh my God. I was right. I was saying, fucking my God. Anywho, does everybody understand this? Type out 30 if you understand what I'm saying here. I'll take out the sell because I don't want anyone to get confused on that. But it works with sells. If it's going up, it's a buy stop. If it's going down, it's a sell stop. Type out 30 if you understand. This will be a life-changing event for a lot of you guys right here. This right here is life-changing. This right here is trader trading. If you have the sniper, you need the sniper. And you look back. We'll go back. I'll go back for Kim. She loves gold. I'm going to go back for Kim. I'm going to show her exactly what I'm talking about. I spelled the word action wrong. I know. I spell every fucking word wrong. I can't spell with spell check. I spell the fucking words wrong. Trust me. I am a horrible, always have been, horrible speller. I mean horrible. I'm up 30 pips on gold 1 hour. Nice, Kim. Nice. Look at Kim go. All right. So let's take a look. Okay. So we're all, okay, it's the other Larry that put out that PC. Oh, so it's okay. I'm just saying, Larry. We're going to give Larry, whoever Larry is, Larry, you're going to get credit for it too. It's the other Larry. Right. Okay. Thank God. I thought it was. I don't want to give someone the wrong things. It was LT. Okay. Gotcha. Larry or LD works for me. LD. So it was LD. Larry, you're funny. LD. I should say LD. I should give him credit for credit due. Matter of fact, I might remark his picture and actually put his initials on there so people know who did that, because he gets credit. And he wrote me an email, a very nice email for that too. Thank you, sir, again. All right. It's my other brother, Larry, my brother, Daryl, my other brother, Daryl. Never mind. Okay. But yeah. So I'm leaving this up and talking about it for minutes because this is extremely important for you guys to understand this, that I have figured out and asked the great Keith Palmer to code it in. And he's working on that next, actually. Today, not today, no, later today. We're going to work on it Sunday for sure, hopefully, Lord willing. But anywho, we know what you are saying. Spelling is hard. Super clear, Coach. All right. So because this weekly, daily, and then the daily 4 hours. So whenever you see, so watch what I'm saying to you. Let's show you exactly what I'm saying to you. Watch this shit. Watch this shit. This is exactly, I'm going to show you what I mean. We're going to go over to gold, the different golds. We don't have all those fucking things on it. We're going to go over to here. We're going to put the weekly here. We're going to come over here and we're going to put the 30-minute here. Now, this is life-changing. I'm not exaggerating. This will help all of your trades be more successful than you ever thought humanly possible in the world. Okay? So this is where we came down to the bottom. This is where the pink bottomed out. So we're going to be looking from this point forward right here until we get up to this very top over here, until our sniper comes up here. Matter of fact, we're going to stay in it and keep looking. But it's from down here to up here is what we're going to be looking, okay? Does everybody understand the parameters? We're going to be looking for 30-minute buy stops, and we're going to be looking for 30-minute buy stops until this goes all the way up, okay? And I'll show you what a full buy stop is and what one isn't, just so we're clear. So here's our blue line. You can clearly see, oh my gosh, that see the blue line here and here. That's the blue line. It counts right here. This blue line is the same as this blue line. It covers each chart. Inside of here, let's look. Inside of here, this is too fucking funny. There is a buy stop to the blue line, right? Buy stop to the blue line. I would have, you could have wrote it either with the pink cross the blue, either time. Could have been your entrances. I don't care. It is what it is. The pink crossed the blue right here, and it went up. Technically, you could wait, and this is a good example of this. Watch, listen to me. If you like to, you can be very conservative. You can wait until this closes. So now we have the blue, pink cross the blue twice, green, green, green. Then this little histogram bar turns green right here. Right? And then from that candle on, so from this candle, from right here, right, it went up. Period. It went up to the blue line. You can wait for these to close. It's called a close safety trade. Me and Keith have been coding these now. So this is a 30-minute buy stop. The very, very first one that happened right here. 30-minute buy stop to the blue line, and it didn't miss. It made money. Does everybody know now that you can either take pink crossing the blue, or you can be less aggressive and just wait for the close to happen on it? Sevens, if you understand that. What I'm teaching you is a way to trade. We're going to follow the weekly blue line up. Oh, and the first time the 30-minute happens is the best. The first time is the best. The first time is the best. You'd have gotten in down here on gold at around 2,300, 2,350. Okay? 2,350. You'd have made $400 an ounce on gold. I'm still learning. Can we go over it one more time? Yes, Sally, absolutely. Okay? Good morning, Henry. God bless you, Henry. Good morning, Sally. All right, Sally, here we go. Listen to me. Everyone listen closely, because I'm sure Sally's not the only one that doesn't understand it. Let's go over this. On the left, okay, let's go over from the beginning. Here we go. Morning, Leon. You're going to want to listen to this part. Only take this type of trade. Okay. This is what you're going to do. 1 weekly chart on left. 2 30-minute chart on right. 3 weekly blue line high, pink low. The typical sniper buy stop. This is for a buy, by the way. 4 any closed 30-minute buy stop while pink weekly sniper line goes up. I think I'm spelling words correctly. That's scary. Okay. And then to the blue line is best. To the price action. Blue line is, I don't know what to say, is best. Okay. Could you show me on videos on the sniper, please? I don't have the sniper yet, Grant. Yes, Grant, not now. We're in the middle of teaching. Please don't interrupt me. Screen recorded this part. Nice. Good idea. Not today. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, D. Haas. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Guy Berger. You guys really want to pay attention to what we're talking about. This information I'm teaching you is being coded into the weekly, daily. It's also being coded into the daily 4 hours for your entrances. I'm about to show you how fucking accurate this is. This is for a buy stop. Only take this type of trade. Weekly chart on the left, 30-minute on the right. Or you could do this with daily on the left and 30-minute on the right. The typical buy stop, weekly blue line high, pink line low. Any closed 30-minute buy stop while pink is sniper line is going up. So let's take a look. So those are the rules. Take a picture of it. Okay. Yeah, you have to rewatch this yourself, Sally. You're going to have to rewatch this 50 times a week for the next 4 weeks. It'll burn into your mind. Okay. So on our left, over here, we have weekly gold. On the right, we have 30-minute gold. When this pink line is low on the weekly, we're going to watch it come up, and you're going to see price come up with it. Well, how do we know when to get in? Well, A, who the fuck cares? Just take a fucking buy stop when it hits the bottom. You'll make money. But some of you like to know when to get in for funded traded accounts. You don't have a lot of drawdown, whatever. So then you can do these following rules. The 30-minute. You all know what a buy stop is. Green, 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 red, pink and blue line low, blah, 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 pink crosses. Or you could wait for closed. What this means is green, 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 and then the red turns to green again. That means it's closed. This is a closed buy stop. From this candle right here up is what you would have made in profit. You would have had zero drawdown on this trade, by the way, just to be clear. So what we're looking for, we're going to go hunting now. Shh, quiet. Elmer Fudd, I'm hunting rabbits. It's rabbit season. Okay? So watch. We're hunting rabbits, which means we're hunting 30-minute buy stops. Okay? So the first one was right off the bat. This blue line here on the 30 minutes is this blue line here on the weekly. Now, as this pink line goes up, 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 we're going to keep hunting these 30-minute buy stops. I'm going to probably go a little faster than what you guys are used to seeing. Okay? Here's another closure. Look, see, pink crosses the blue. You could have gotten pink crosses blue, or you could wait for this to close. Everyone write out the word close if you understand. Green, 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 red turns to green. Closure, going to the blue line again, by the way, and look how much it went up. All right? So this is another 30-minute buy stop. We're up to 2. Everyone write out the word close. Good morning, Tony Villaboza. You're going to want to hear this too, sir. You're going to love this. Thank you, Ryan. You really want to learn this. You really, 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 really want to learn this, Tony. This will save you a lot of frustrations going forward. And this works for any symbol. Oh, shoot fire. Hold on. Damn. Hold on. Nope, can't do it. Damn. Close. Close, close, close. Okay, you guys get it. All right. This is a close. So this is the second one. It went up super naturally high. It was a fantastic trade. This one right here, this little dot right here is a buy stop. This little dot right here, there's red right there, is a buy stop. And you can clearly see it went up huge, huge. Okay, this isn't closed. This isn't closed. Listen to me. When this came back up, there isn't any buy stop here. You can't take this trade to 30-minute. Let's look at this. It started off as a buy stop, but it never changed the green while all of them were green. This isn't a buy stop. Look over here. This is a 30-minute buy stop. You can see the pink cross the blue. You can enter there. You can wait for the closure of this one, right? And up she went. Anyone seeing a pattern here? Wabbit season. Correct, D-Hoss. Wabbit. All right, let's take a look. Oh, there's another closure, another up. Here's another 30-minute buy stop, closed buy stop. Look at it. Up, up, up. Holy shit. Starting to make some money here. Another one right here, closed, made money. As a matter of fact, you're going to make a shit ton of money, so don't worry if you see anything go down. You made money on that. Don't care, nothing. We don't trade the sells. We don't. Who was that? We do not trade the sells. We don't trade that buy. That doesn't count. We don't trade. Oh, here's a buy we trade right here. Watch. We're going up. Look. This is green, 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 red. Pink across the blue. It's going up. Yep. Where are we at on our little thing over here? Nope. Still going up. Still going to make shit tons of money on every one of these. Another one right here. Another buy stop closed. Pink cross the blue. Green, 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 red. The red turns the green. You take the buy and up she goes. Anyone seeing a pattern here? Nope, nope, nope. These are sells. We don't care. We don't care. We missed this completely. Oh, here's one. It's not much, but pink cross the blue. Green, 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 red. Closure. Up she goes. Correct. And we're still going up. Watch this. As these are being called out, we're still going up right here on the weekly. This pink line is going up. Let's keep watching. Here's another one. Another buy, another win. Here's another one. Another buy, another win. This one doesn't count because by the time it changed back, let's be clear. By the time this came to green over here, this turned red. This does not count as a buy, even though it would have made you money. You don't count that. Same with this. You can't count this one. This does not count. The red changed. You can't count it. Not a countable trade. This one you can count. Buy stop, made money. 30-minute buy stop, made money. 30-minute buy stop, made money. 30-minute buy. And some of you are thinking, oh, that's not a lot of money right here. Well, your entry would have been on the orange, 25.06 to, it's about $10 an ounce of gold when that looks like it didn't make you money. This does not count. This one's a fill in the gap, which you can find a trade on, but it doesn't count for what we're talking about. This counts and made you money, shit tons of money. Does not count. Oopsie, we're losing track of everything. And you can stop trading here if you want, by the way. Made you money again, probably about $5 an ounce. Nothing, 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 nothing. Definitely not a buy. Nothing, nothing. Oops, here we go. Oops, we lost our money. Let's see down here. Right here, this is a perfect buy stop. You're up ungodly amounts of money. Let's see. Nothing, nothing, sell, nothing, nothing. Can't count it. Nothing. Can't count it. They're filling the gaps, which means they're 15-minute buy stops, but we don't care about that. Nothing, nothing. You have to miss all that money. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. You can't count this one because it changes to red, so that doesn't count. Here's one right here. I guarantee we're in the money on this one. Let's take a look. Yep, there's our money. Let's bring this down a little bit and spread that out a little bit. Buy stop again in the money. Can't count it. 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 Here's a buy stop in the money. Again, this doesn't look like much money to you, but when you take in, when you should have gotten in, 26.48,
It's like $20 an ounce on that little shitty trade. Here's a beautiful one. This is gorgeous. It's going to go up big. Yep. It's going up, still going up. I mean, you probably made, oh my God, $200 an ounce on that trade. Here's another perfect buy stop. Blue across the pink, green, 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 red. You'll get good identifying the buy stops too. And there you go. And that's your trades. I don't know, maybe 15, 20, 30-minute buy stops. For buys, it's best to take buys where the blue line is high on the sniper because I see the pink crossing the blue a lot. I exactly went over exactly what to do on that. Rewatch this video so you understand. I can see it more now. You may never lose. Correct. That is true. Morning, Joseph. Great lesson to be joining to. Absolutely it is. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, Grant. Yes, this should change all of you guys from misunderstanding how to trade the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, about 15 minutes to market open, by the way. We'll try to catch it. And then, by the way, I could do this exact same scenario. We can do this exact same scenario, which is happening on NAS right now as you speak. But I can do it with NAS right here. We could do the exact same. Doesn't matter. Watch. This is NAS. Doesn't matter the symbol. Doesn't matter anything. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Watch. You want to see something funny? So when this hits its lowest, and you have a way, I showed you in another video how you know when this is the lowest. We're going to put our blue line here on NAS. We're going to go forward. Oh, sorry. We're going to go forward, and we're going to look for 30-minute buy stops on NAS. I'm not going to do all of them, but just so you get the ideas. As this line rises, right? So as this goes up, you're going to see 30-minute buy stops that do not miss, especially when you see one to the blue line. You could might as well just fucking sell your house and your car and put demo money in. Look, this is it. This is your first, and it's usually the first one or second, third one. It's usually really beginning early in the run. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. It is so fucking huge. So fucking huge when you see this, because it's going to go to that blue line. They literally are giving you free money. They're literally giving you from here to here, well, all the way up to here. I'll just go to here. They're giving you 300 pips for free on NAS. And it works on US 30. It works on ERUSD. It works on GPB, JPY. And there you go. Every 30-minute you can find take. That's not one, but damn, I'll be looking at that 15-minute. Buy stop here. Buy stop here. Look at it shoot upwards. As it goes up, it has no choice to go up. You can't take that trade. Doesn't count. Can't take that trade. It doesn't count. You can take this trade. Abso-fucking-lutely. Where we at on the buy? Oh, yeah. This is going to explode upward. Mark my words. This thing's going to be huge. So buy stop here. Buy stop. I told you. Buy stop there. Poof. Up it goes. And it ain't done going up either. You can stay in these trades. Another beautiful one. Look. Green, 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 red. The Bach. This is fantastic. Those Bach breaks are unbelievable. Can't take this one. Why can't you take it? Because this is a higher buy stop, though. This is going to be like a 2-hour, 4-hour buy stop, right? It's beautiful. It's building up for it. But at any rate, can't take it because when it comes back up and closes, they change colors. Can't take that one, even though it went up. Can take this one? Abso-fucking-lutely you can. You can take that one. I didn't make any money. You're right. We didn't make any money on that, except that it was up. Somewhere around there to somewhere I can't see. Fuck. Just, I don't know. About 30 pips, 40, 50 pips, whatever the fuck it was. I can't see it. And it doesn't matter anyways if you're getting that picky. Just fucking take it. It'll keep going up. Trust me on this. Whatever that trade was is going to go up immensely. Here's one. Buy stop right here. 30-minute buy stop playing against the weekly. Up, huge money. Again, you can't take those. You can take this one. Up, huge money. Fill in the gap, up, good money right there. It's still going to end up huge money by the time when this is done too, by the way. Nope, can't take the fill in the gaps. You can take that one if you want. No, you can't. It turned red. You can't take that one. Can't take these. They're all red. Can't take that. Can't take that one, even though it's a beautiful one, but you can take this one. Changed over, green up. Green up, green up, green up. And you can't take this one because it flipped. Can't take that one. Can't take that one. It's a fill in the gap. You don't know what that means. Here's a nice, beautiful one. This will be a beautiful one. Buy, stop, up. You can see it clearly. Up, buy, up. Buy up, made money again. Can't take these because of turning to different colors. Can't take that. Again, we're just hunting the red. There you go. Here's one right here. Buy, stop right here. Buy, stop again. Up in the money, in the money, in the money. In the money, can't take those. Can take that one. Beautiful money. Those are all sells. You can't touch them. Buy, stop in the money again. Buy, stop in the money again. Right? You guys get the idea. And that's what you do. All the way up, you play it. So that's all. I spent a lot of time on this because it's extremely important. I'm going to swing over and start trading now. New entries and constant never-ending improvement. Correct. Great lessons. LT. Stoney says 30. Crash, what's the name of the video where he teaches how to tell? It's at the bottom. Please and thank you, everyone. Crash. Blue tide acrylics. US 30's moving. Blue tide acrylics past 3-minute blue line. Nice. Thank you, Jacob. I'm new here. Do you take shorts or just longs? Lewis, you got to go back and rewatch about my last dozen videos. It works on longs and shorts. We don't trade like you're thinking, Lewis. Just no. Anywho. All right. The 30-minute, the US 30. Let me pull this down. Let's get down to the nuts and bolts here. Make some money at open. Welcome, Lewis. Just go back and watch some videos so you get comfortable with what's happening, with what you're seeing. All right. This is called out a buy stop to the 3-minute blue line long ago. This is called out by the system. It was called out by the actual safety trade. Where's our little sniper at? Sniper rifle. There you go. It called it out. I called it out. Every one of you made money from here. Let me clear all this shit off of this one. This right here is US 30. We called out the buy stop to the 30-minute blue line back here. See the blue line trade right there? Okay. And we have a sniper rifle that also fires off on it towards that. Doop, doop. Let me see if we can get this open for you. Sniper rifle, boom, there it is. Okay. This is automatic. We have rules, Lewis. The rules are followed. We have them coded into different indicators. This is a buy stop. They never repaint, by the way, for anyone out there who knows what that means. This is a buy stop called out back here, and this is where it is now. This trade alone, which is a free upgrade to everybody that has the signal service. This trade alone would have made you 65 pips before market open. There you go. And by the way, not only did US 30 go up, but NAS went up over the same period of time. So you would have made another 70 pips, 80 pips on NAS, and SPX also went up at the same time. So there you go. So those trades are there. Now, we have about 7 minutes to market open. Let's see what we can find for you guys. If there's anything left. Let me turn this off. Let me turn this off. And let's see what we can see. Nope, too late on that. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, there's your 2-hour, 3-hour buy, 4-hour buy, 7-hour buy. Daily still hooking down. I wish it had come down a little bit further, but I told you guys yesterday how to play these. I hope all of you paid attention to me yesterday when I was telling you how to play these trades. I was telling you exactly where to put this in at for NAS, exactly where to put this in at for SPX. You would have been in the money, shit tons of money on NAS and SPX if you'd have listened to me yesterday. Oh, it was going down. I don't care. And you still have time for US 30, but that was like, I think we're entering US 30 off the 7-hour or 4-hour. Let me see, 4-hour buy, 12-hour daily, not yet. Can't call it yet. I would play any buy stop you can find on NAS, any buy stop you can find on US 30, and any buy stop you can find on SPX. That's what I would look at. Now, specifically, 1 second buy. US 30. It's just so far away. I don't like this. I gave you guys 60, 70, 80 pips before market open. I wouldn't play market open. I would stay out of market open. And see, US 30 is just too high. There's nothing you can do. There's just nothing. This is my, we need a pullback. Play any buy stop you can find on US 30 until US 30 hits its 5-minute blue line. But I'm telling you right now, we need a pullback. So this is what we need on US 30. We're going to need our logo to be formed. I want this to come up like this, where it is, come back down like this, and give us our entry back up to here. That's how US 30. I'm not getting into US 30. I'm not going to play US 30 unless there's a artificial pullback on US 30 to the 5-minute. Now, we're going to need everything else the same here, but let's see what we can see. Maybe we can see a pullback for this one. Sell stop. Yeah. Play any sell on NAS to the 5-second blue line, but I would only play the buy. So don't play the sells. Fuck the sells. Let this shit pull back down where it needs to go. Yeah, I mean, it is a 30-second buy stop on NAS. It is a, well, you already know that what it is on US 30. 30-second buy stop NAS, 30-second buy stop SPX. But I'm telling you, I mean, yes, you could take, by the way, you'll see this go up right now, actually. We'll see this pop. You need a bigger pullback. I need something to go against the grain. I need something to pull down hard, whether it's SPX or US 30. I need something to pull down hard at open. I'm not taking this trade. I'm not going in this trade. I'm already in, what am I in now? I have like 3 trades open, I think, long term. All his videos basically explaining everything you will need to know, Cash. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Bob. Just explore 15-minute buy set from the 30-minute gap fills on the new entries. Yeah, no, that's always the case. It's always a 15-minute fill in the gap. Always. Yep. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Kim Envy. Candle Envy Lady. I'm understanding it more and more daily with these calls who need spell check when we have the safe trade system. Correct, Amunda. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Buy, stop, fill in the gap, NAS. SPX. I'm just not a fan of this. I'm calling it. Let me see the 1 minute. It just needs to drop more, but I'm going to call SPX buy stop. Put it right here at 5,843. Not a financial advisor, demo trade only. NAS. Same thing. We need more of a pullback. Buy stop NAS. 20,360 buy stop NAS. US 30 is too late. You're either in that fucking one or not. We need one of these to pull back. I don't know. I want somebody to drop down fucking hard, though. Otherwise, I'm not trading open. I'm already in my trades. I have a NAS open, a gold open, and I think an AUD USD open. Let's see a pullback come on any one of the 3 indices, and I'll do a little jump in maybe myself, especially if it's SPX. I'll do SPX for sure. I'll do a live trade. Other than that, I'm not doing it. There's your call in, 5,842.8 SPX. You're going to have to move quick. So don't trade market open. If you can trade market open, make sure you only get in and out like I'm going to do. This isn't a time to hold trades per se. You can open up 2, lock in your profit. Yeah. And then we'll just wait because here she comes. NAS buy, SPX buy, US 30 nothing. US 30 nothing. You're already in that buy or you're not. We called out the US 30 buy, and you can play any buy stop you want on US 30 as they form, meaning it's got to pull down more for US 30. There you go. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. Yay. Hopefully we'll see a pop up on either NAS or SPX. Can't trade US 30 unless it goes further down. Here we go. A pop up. I want it to come down first and then pop back up. Sorry, I want to be specific with that. If it goes straight up, you already have your buy stops in place. Market open coming up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I like it. I'd even drop it. Buy stop SPX. There we go. Buy stop SPX right here at 5,842. If it drops any further, we'll call it down further. Let me see NAS. Same. Buy stop NAS 20,358. I want one of these two to pull way down, though. One of these two's got to pull way down. Market open. Go. In the money on your NAS. Sell your NAS. In the money on the NAS buy. Sell your NAS. Get out of the NAS. You're in the money. SPX in the money. SPX and NAS in the money. SPX and NAS in the money. Perfect little play. I would have preferred a bigger drop. Yes. Buy stop, US 30, 42,536.6. Buy stop, demo only, not a financial advisor. Buy, you're in the money on the buy. You're in the money on the buy on US 30. Close down US 30. Close down US 30. Close down SPX. Close down NAS. Who's in the money? Who's in the money? I called you 3 of them. Pop. And that was the US 30 one, baby. Look at US 30. We just fucking made, buy the system, learn how to trade live. You just made over 40 pips on US 30. I better look at it, rocket upward. You better say, thank you, God. Told you it's going to its 5-minute blue line. We had the pullback, not as good as I wanted. Look at it going to its blue line right there. Look where it's going to. Told you, fucking told you, and told you again. Look at that shit. Look at that motherfucking shit. Told you. This is what I taught you guys the other day, by the way. Taught you when this pattern right here. I taught you this pattern so you guys can start looking for it. That's why I was so confident on SPX and NAS right there when it's the blue line and then the fill in the gap. Remember when I taught you this? Just taught you this a couple days ago. I think it was Monday. The red and then the fill in the gap blue. See how it was? That's how it was on US 30. That's how it was on NAS. Look. Look. Oh, it must not have been the 30-second. Hold on. Yeah, it's a 30-second, 1 minute. Sorry. But that's what it is. So that's what I was playing off of. And then SPX did the same thing. Yep. Boom. In the money on NAS, in the money on SPX, in huge money on NAS, in huge money on SPX, in huge money on US 30, all called out live. I drew it out. Let's go back to my little drawing. Hold on. The little drawing here. I asked for, I wanted one of the 3. I was hoping for NAS or SPX. We got US 30. I didn't think we'd actually get it. That's what I drew out, and that's what it did. Just so we're clear, fucking A. Look at that money. Thank God. Go over to the Safety Trade, thesafetytrade.com, and buy the system. That's all I can tell you. Come over to here, thesafetytrade.com. Can we see it all? Maybe not. Thesafetytrade.com. Buy the system, $575 for the year. Boom. Bingo, boppo, bingo. Kevin, that session in Discord was awesome. Looking forward to learning it. I wrote it down. Boy, that's what you need to do. Wow, that was amazing. Thank you, God. Correct. Yep. Made money on NAS. Correct, Lachey. There you go. Thanks. God. There you go. Boom. That was fun. I got to run, but man, was that fun. I hope all of you made some kind of demo money. I hope you all had a fun time learning things today. I hope you all pay attention to what I taught you about that weekly, daily line going up with a 30-minute buy against it. I really, really, really hope you guys understand that. This is amazing information I'm giving out to you guys. Everybody in the Discord, in your signal service rooms, be excited. Be super excited. We have the 30-minute blue trades right now. The great Keith Palmer has coded your 5-second, 10-second, 15 seconds. These are going to be fired up November the 8th. All free to anyone in Tier 1, Tier 2, or Tier 3. You're getting all these extra signals for free. The last time I checked the Tier 3 signals daily, weekly, it made over 20,000 pips. 20,000 pips were made from your daily, weekly signal callouts. And we have hundreds more signals being called. This is just amazing. What this has grown into is insanity. You have perfect first-time signals being called out so far. You have perfect almost Holy Grail signals being called out. The Holy Grail hasn't called out a signal yet, but it will, and it will be perfect. You have perfect weekly, daily signals that have been called out. And we did them all the other day. It's just amazing what you're witnessing. No losses. Even the weekly, daily Ethereum one will not end up. It's a loss kind of right now, but that doesn't count. You have to follow the rules. And once it goes up, it'll be in the money. Wow. Have a great weekend, Lachey. Have a great weekend, Bob. I'll be on probably late Saturday and definitely on Sunday, by the way. Have a great weekend, John Parker. Have a great weekend, Kim. Have a great weekend, Jay. The HH room's insane, by the way. Have a great weekend, Jan. God bless you all on TikTok. I'm out of here. This is so much fun. Trading is so fun. God, I hope you guys are having fun. This is just fun. All right. And off of TikTok. Never did see TikTok, by the way. Link to Discord. What's up? Yeah. No, you don't get the link to the Discord unless you buy the system. In order to get the link to the Discord, go over to here, buy the system for $575. We don't let people in the public into our Discord. We did it one time, and what a fucking joke that was. You're welcome, Grant. God bless you, Grant. Good morning, Don. You're really going to want to rewatch this show, Don. It was fantastic. All the way from the beginning to the middle to the end. This was a fantastic show. This is an unbelievable show. As a matter of fact, I'm going to rename this show. It was so fucking it's so easy. This is a must-watch TV. Rewatch. This is a weekly 30-minute training. It's unstoppable. All right, 1025. Yep, that's what it's going to be recalled. This is a training video. Today is a training video. Whenever you see me rename something, that turns into a training. This is a training session video. God bless you all. Have a great weekend. I'll probably talk to you Saturday evening for sure. Sunday, I'm thinking. You're welcome, Henry. Thank you for being here, Henry. God bless you all. Have a safe weekend, Linda. God bless you, Linda. What's up, Dennis? Hey, Dennis. Okay. All right. God bless y'all. Everybody have a great weekend. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. All of us made money at that. Oh, that was so much fun. Demo money only.